guys, I'm back with another mani. So I have some full coverage nail tips here, and this mani will be featuring gel polish from Melody Susie. So if you haven't seen the previous unboxing video regarding their new line FLEURWEE gel polish, I will link that in the cards up above. But starting off with these tips, they're already buffed and the dust removed. I'm going in with a layer of gel base coat, and I will cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. And this video is sped up. I mean, it is what it is. And so after I get that base coat cured, I'm going in with two different colors from the FLEURWEE gel polish line. I'm going in with a white and a black. Now the black is pretty sheer. The white is a nice pigmented white, applies really smooth, like really smooth. If you see the unboxing video, you'll see I did some swatches there with the 4 colors that came in the kit. So the white applied really smooth. Most white gel polishes are streaky. This one is not. This is a plant-based gel polish, and it is HEMA-free and HPMO or HPMA, whatever that other version of HEMA is, free. And so these can be found on Amazon. They have 30 plus polishes. It doesn't have a top and a base coat, and so I already had Melody Susie's base coat and gel top coat. Those are not HEMA free as far as I know, but they work. So if you don't have a HEMA sensitivity, that would be fine, or if you have a HEMA free product, that might work as well. And so now I'm going in polishing the black. That black is really sheer. You always want to apply your gel polish in thin layers, but it's really sheer gel polish, and then it becomes more opaque with the second coat. So once I get all nails coated, I'm going to go in and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I will go in and apply a second coat of color to all nails. So here are the nails after the first coat, and you were getting ready to see with that second coat of black, the color becomes more pigmented and opaque, where you don't need a third coat. I don't know why you put a third coat of black on your nails. Don't do that. And so I'm just applying that to the nails. And then the white, I technically didn't need a second coat of color for the white nails, but I went ahead and did a second coat anyway, because that's my normal practice with gel polish. I usually do 2 coats of color. So once I get those nails coated, I'm going to pop them back into my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. So here are the nails after the second coat. I'm going in with an alcohol prep pad, and I did apply a layer of base coat. I think that's why I showed that. I did this video quite some time, but I hadn't had time to do a voiceover and get it uploaded. So I'm wiping the white nails off with alcohol, and I had these various things here. I had some black and white stickers, some black and silver stickers, and I had some newspaper print nail art foil. So I couldn't decide what I wanted to do, and so these stickers here came in a Daily Charm subscription box that I had. I no longer get those, but I was like, okay, these are perfect. Even though you don't think of black and white as summer nails, but these stickers went well with the set, and they are like beach themed, vacation themed stickers. And so I'm just pulling those off and applying that to the nail. Now, whenever you're doing nail stickers on top of gel polish, you do want to wipe that tacky layer off of the nail, because if not, the stickers won't stick well and they'll slide all around, and ain't nobody got time for that. And so I forget what the stickers say, but again, they're beach theme, like take me to the ocean. And so on the thumbnail, I apply this sticker, and then I apply a little fish as well. And so once I get the stickers on the nail, I use the silicone end of my nail art tweezers, and I press that down because I want it to lay as flat as possible on that nail, and I don't want it to lift. And so I decided to go in with a little fish there as well. Once I get the stickers placed, I'm going to go in with a layer of base coat to encapsulate the stickers and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. Okay, so once I got that base coat cured, I'm going in with Melody Susie's top coat and applying a layer of top coat to the nails, and then I'm going to cure my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Now off camera, y'all know I like to add extra stuff to my nails. So I did have some like white rhinestones that I do apply to the black nails. Off camera, I just put a dollop of nail glue, placed that in there, and I took a minute to dry for whatever reason. I didn't feel like curing them again, so I took a dollop of nail glue, applied that to the cuticle area, and applied a single white rhinestone to those nails. So coming up is the finished look. Here are the nails. I thought they were simple and cute, and so I do apply these to my right hand with sticky tabs because I pop them off the same day. So guys, please like this video if you found value, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.